Today we're going to be looking at the replacement of the center line on a 2013 North Trust bar. That's the center line is the one that runs through the chicken loop and then connects to your the leash connector on the other side. So you can see this one's really not in that bad a shape. It's got a bit of wear. They usually start to wear a lot right where they enter the center of the chicken loop. So what you're going to need to do this is a replacement center line. This one is for the 2013 North bar. We sell them in any size. You can also use the tool to take apart the bar. That takes apart the chicken loop. Comes with your bar usually. We're not going to use it this time. You need a screwdriver as well, a small screwdriver or a punch. So the first thing you have to do is disconnect your two center lines from the red line and the white line. That allows you to actually take the red line out of the bar. Next, you're going to have to take off the leash connector, which is just on the other side of the chicken loop. And you do that by taking the loop and sliding it around the connector, and then pull the loop through the center. So once you've disconnected the leash connector, you can just pull the line straight through the center of the chicken loop, and then just wrap up that line. If it's in good shape like this one, you can save it and use it as a backup. Now you want to take your replacement line, take it out of the bag, and unwrap it. For this particular bar, both loops are the same size, so it doesn't matter which one goes through the chicken loop and which one connects to the lines. So you take it and you feed it through the center of your bar. And then feed it into the chicken loop. Now because we didn't take the actual chicken loop apart, it's a little bit difficult to get the line through at first. So you can use a screwdriver or a punch, something small that can feed it through. You just have to be very careful not to damage the actual line. So just be as gentle as possible with it. And you can see you always want to try and push the line down from the outside of the actual hole. That'll do less damage to the line. So once it goes through, you feed it through the bottom hole and out, and then you're going to reconnect the leash connector. So it's the opposite to how you disconnected it. You take the loop, put it through the center of the connector, and then up and around the actual connector, and then pull it tight. So that's pretty much it. Now you just want to take the other end of the red line and the white line and reconnect them to your center or your front lines, and you're pretty much done. One thing to note with these control bars is when you go to put the red line back in, just make sure it's going back in the same way as the old one was. Some of them do have other loops or other straps that the line passes through, so you just want to make sure that it is the same as the old one. These lines are custom made and can be made for any control bar, so if you need a different size or something different specifications, just contact us and we should be able to help you out with that. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped out a little bit.